3,000 flying hours. He's also the team leader of no less than 3 aerobatic teams and is famous for landing his little Piper J3 Cub on a moving truck. He also is the man that has been... Well, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard all the facts and the figures and the gee whiz. Let me add to that before I cross over live to Guy Blackburn. The 747-400 has got 6 million parts, half of which are fasteners, as well as 171 miles of wiring and 5 kilometers of tubing. Let's now go over and join in the cockpit of Springbok 100. Welcome to Duxford, to our flying crew. Guy, are you with us?
Good afternoon, Brian. Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the flight deck of Springbok 100. My name is Captain Guy Blackburn. Sitting ahead of me, Captain Grant McAlpine is hand-flying this magnificent machine on this magnificent day for an airshow, and he's assisted by Captain Mike West. We've got 150 knots on the clock now. We are descending to 400 feet and rolling right across the display line at wings level, showing you the top of our aeroplane, and here we go, rolling to the left now, and Brian, you've got it.
Thank you, and ladies and gentlemen, you would have seen the colors on the tail. That's the colors of our flag, and right above, in the top, we have got the sun, and that is of course for sunny South Africa. We bring you the greetings from our nation as we display our Boeing 747-400, especially for you here at Duxford. This momentous occasion, wonderful air show, the centenary of flight. This particular aeroplane, the registration, is Zulu Sierra Sierra Alpha Kilo. The name of the aeroplane is Ebahi, which means Port Elizabeth. Just look at that. Earlier you heard guest commentators saying wave. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't wave to our crew now, I know that you're not enjoying this fly past, because they can see you up there. So let's see everybody give the South Africans a mighty British wave. We're watching the aircraft now, keeping it so nice and tight. And if ever there's
I'm ready for you.
Let's go over back to the flight deck. Guy Blackburn.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was a low-level steep turn that you won't see every day in a 747-400. We're climbing now at 2,000 feet a minute and rolling steep turn to the right. This is as close as your C2A wing over 1,000 feet. We're starting our descent now again for the run-in. And I'll give you the next call at the runway in sight. Altitude speed still maintaining 150 knots and altitude 700 feet descending and 500 descending, and there we're coming down, coming around nicely now. Runway's in sight and rolling with a bit of bank just to line up for you. This time we'll give you a steep turn to the right. Brian, over to you.
Well, a big thank you there to our commentator on board, and that's Captain Guy Blackburn. Let's go over to Scully.
Okay, folks, now let me tell you that the three pilots up there are at the top of the food chain. There's nothing bigger and better to fly than this aircraft, besides perhaps the space shuttle. This display has been worked out very, very, very carefully. They have practiced it in the simulator a number of times to make sure that they maintain their energy levels, to maintain their positioning, and to ensure that nothing is left to...
Guy, how are we doing?
It's a very busy cockpit in here. There's a lot of concentration, a lot of eyes. We have to watch 100 things at one time. Grant is flying this airplane magnificently. This is not an easy thing to do in an aircraft of this size, I promise you, but just will you look at that. And over to you, Brian.
Well, thank you there to Guy in the cockpit, and just look at that, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful sight, what a beautiful sound, and of course the music that we are playing.
And rolling around, easing it around gently, just to get this big bird positioned beautifully for the run. Once we're over the runway, we'll
Well, there you are, back with us here in the commentary position. And of course now you get a different view of our aircraft on the approach. You see the
Free with the runway now, ladies and gentlemen, 200 feet